Welcome dear students to today's session of Summit for Maths. Subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for further notifications. Let's get started. In integral calculus, today we are going to see type 3 integration. Let us solve few problems of this type. We have a problem here. Integral of e to the power of x log a plus e to the power of a log a minus e to the power of n log x. So e to the power of x log a can be written as log a to the power of x plus e to the power of log a to the power of a minus e to the power of log x power n into dx. Since m log n can be written as log n to the power of m. Using this property, we are writing it like this. The next step, we have a to the power of x plus e to the power of a minus x to the power of n whole into dx, because e to the power of log x is equal to x, where e and log gets cancelled. So we get that step. So now integrating, we'll have a to the power of x by log a plus a to the power of a into x minus x to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. So that's your final answer. Note this formula. Integral of a to the power of x is equal to a power x by log a. The second problem for today's session is integral of a power x minus e to the power of x log b by e to the power of x log a into bx. As we have seen in the previous problem, e to the power of x log b can be written as e to the power of log b to the power of x, and in the denominator we have e to the power of x log a, which can be written as e to the power of log a to the power of x. In the next step, we'll have a to the power of x minus b to the power of x by a to the power of x into b to the power of x. Since e to the power of log x is equal to x. In this step, we have to consider the denominators for each of the numerator. So a to the power of x gets cancelled and we'll have 1 by b to the power of x minus. Here b to the power of x gets cancelled and we'll get 1 by a to the power of x into dx. In the next step, let us bring the denominator to the numerator. So we'll have integral of b to the power of minus x dx minus integral of a to the power of minus x dx. Here we get b to the power of minus x by minus log b minus of a to the power of minus x by minus log a plus c. Here minus and minus becomes plus, so let us write it in the front. A to the power of minus x by log a minus b to the power of minus x by log b plus c. A and b has negative powers, so let us bring it to the denominator. The final answer will be 1 by a to the power of x log a minus 1 by log b into b to the power of x plus c. That's your final answer. Hope you can get it. Here for today's session we have one more problem. Integral of e to the power of x plus 1 the whole square into e to the power of x, which can be expanded as e to the power of 2x plus 2 e to the power of x plus 1 the whole into e to the power of x dx. Now multiplying each term with e to the power of x, we get e to the power of 3x plus 2 into e to the power of 2x plus e to the power of x the whole into dx. So now integrating, we get e to the power of 3x by 3 plus 2 times e to the power of 2x by 2 plus e to the power of x plus c. So the final step will be e to the power of 3x by 3 plus e to the power of 2x plus e to the power of x plus c. That's your answer. Hope the session was interesting. Thank you.